Where's the escape? Is it downstairs?
Yeah, apparently.
Looks like it.
I've never seen it be down here.
Oh. I have no idea where I went. Huh.
Show hands, motherfucker. Don't shoot. Just shoot in the knives. I don't take orders from pigs. Lol, it's a police chipper. What a fucking guy are
Die, coppers, die.
Just kill our escape.
Oh, is that the good guys? It says police.
Yeah, I think so.
We're gonna steal it.
I think that's our job.
Oh, there's
I
another
don't
one. Ah, I hit him. I made him go away. No? He's come back. Oh, okay, now there's 3 helicopters. I'm getting worried.
I don't see that third one, I only see 2.
Oh, really? Yeah. There were 2 watching the one in front of us.